Very good morning and
Good
welcome
morning,
to
ma'am.
Clapingo Rakesh.
Good morning,
Hi,
ma'am. How are you?
I'm pretty good. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking.
So, Rakesh, how's your Saturday morning going on?
It is going well because yesterday I'm working person, so yesterday I was in night shift, so I was just sleeping, and because I put alarm, so it was just because of that I woke up.
Oh, that's really nice that in spite of your hectic schedule, you took some time and you reached on time for this session. So, I'm glad that you joined. So, Rakesh,
Mm.
what are your plans for weekend?
It is same. Tomorrow it will be my night shift, so just uh, a bit busy with my task. Yes.
Okay, so tomorrow also you're working. When are you
Yes,
off?
yes. My off is on Thursday.
Only one day?
Yes, only one day.
Okay, I see.
So what about you, ma'am? We have connected first time. So
Yes.
could you just introduce yourself?
Yeah, as you know, my name is Sindhu Padmavati. I was born in Kerala, God's own country. Then I was
Hmm.
brought up in Bangalore, Garden City of India, and now I'm
Hmm.
in Rajasthan, the royal
Hmm.
state of India. And I used to work
Okay.
for a bank, HSBC Bank in Bangalore. I've got 9 years experience there. And then when I moved to
Oh,
Rajasthan, there were no banks close by, so only schools were close by. So then I started working at schools, then as a teacher, then I got promoted as a vice principal. But since the time of pandemic, I am teaching online and I prefer this because I'm able to connect to people internationally. That's the reason.
okay, okay. So thank you for introducing yourself.
It's my
Thank you.
pleasure.
So, so you
Hmm.
just now you just teach online. So apart from Clippingo, is there any other platform where do you teach?
No, because I thought I'll work for Clapingo just part time, but it's so interesting here, and the
Hmm.
work culture is really good, so I changed to full time.
And also it is convenient if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, very convenient. Yeah.
Yes.
Just like for you, how things are flexible, same way for the employees also, it's very flexible. We choose when we want to work, when we want to take off, how many sessions we
Mhm.
should take. Everything is in our hands, just
It
like
is
how
up
you.
to you.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
happening.
Okay. Thank you.
So, Rakesh, you have been with us for a long time. This is your 96th session. So, how was
Mhm.
your experience? Do you see improvements from first
Uh,
session to 96?
I just I am on this platform to maintain my consistency. And sometimes what happens, ma'am? Sometimes I think I am losing my fluency
Hmm.
because once means. Meanwhile, I stopped practicing, and at that time I was losing fluency. So because of that, I just take session once in a week. Yes.
That's brilliant. Yeah, you should keep speaking because I know how it is because I'm from Bangalore, right? So I learned Kannada. That's the mother tongue of, that's the local language in Bangalore. So I learned
Hmm.
that I knew to read, write, everything and speak. But since I shifted to Rajasthan, it's been 8 years. I don't get anybody to speak in Kannada. So I lost the fluency in that language, though I can
Yes.
understand.
Yes. Yes. That happens.
Yeah.
That is why I just use it to
Mm,
maintain my fluency where I am.
that's good. Yeah. So, Rakesh, we are going to discuss today's topic. It's Would you rather? It's a very fun session, very nice topic given there. Did you go through it?
No, ma'am. I
Oh,
did go through it, but as it is suspense, so it will be great fun for me. So I will
mm,
talk about that. No problem.
yeah, it's different from other sessions, so it's a very nice topic. And before we discuss on the topic, I just wanted to tell you there's an idiom which which is usually used by people normally in India, also people from abroad. People overseas they usually use idioms, but in India also this is used. Add
Hmm.
fuel to the fire. Have you heard about it before? Adding fuel to the fire?
Your voice was breaking. Could you just repeat that?
Yes, adding fuel to the fire. Have you heard that
Adding fuel
before?
to the fire.
Yeah.
Although I have not heard about
Mm,
that phrase, but I
mm,
will try. Like it is a kind of, well, what? I am getting from it. Like adding fuel to the fire means like boosting up, or like giving energy, kind of that. If I am
Yeah.
not wrong, I'm just trying.
Okay, you're trying. Okay, but it's
Hmm.
similar to in Hindi we say, right? Um, आग में
Motive.
घी डालना, आग में घी
Okay, okay.
डालना,
Art
same like
might
that.
be done. That I have
Yeah.
heard. Yes, I
Yeah,
have.
so same like that. It means mm, something is bad. It's in a bad situation, but you're trying to exaggerate it, like
Exaggerate.
making this, yeah, making the situation even from bad to
Worst.
worse.
Worst.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, correct. Like if
Hmm.
somebody is feeling like crying,
Hmm.
when you try to tell them stop crying, it's okay, they'll cry even more, right? They'll
Hmm.
not keep
Hmm.
quiet. Yeah. If somebody
Yes.
is anger, you try to tell something bad about the person with whom that person is angry, that person will get even more angry, right?
Even more angry.
Yeah, that's
Like that.
adding
Yes.
fuel to fire.
Add my
Yeah.
gidal. Adding
Hmm.
fuel to the fire. Yes.
Yeah, so you can use this in your daily conversations, and you can
Hmm.
also use one idiom which is very funny, I feel, and normally I haven't heard anyone using it, but it is when pigs fly. When pigs fly means that will
Hmm.
never happen. Like for example, when will Salman Khan get married? He'll get married
Hmm.
when pigs fly, so that means it will never
Hmm.
happen.
Yes.
Like that.
Yes. 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 Understood.
So, yeah, these are the two idioms. And now let's talk about this interesting session. So, what you have to do is that I'm going to ask you questions. I'm going to give you two options. Then you have to tell me which one would you prefer. Okay? And out of the two, so if you just tell one line in one line, it would not be good, right? So you'll have to elaborate why you choose that. Okay? So this is the game. It's named
Kind
as
of game.
yeah, would you rather? Would you rather choose this or would you rather choose that? Okay. So, first question in this list is, would you rather be, this is regarding your height, okay? Would you rather be 4 feet 5 inches or 7 feet 7 inches?
Hmm. 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 Uh, in India, because I am from India and I live in India, so I would love to be 4 feet 5 inches. Why? Because like if I am 4 feet 5 inches, so although people were not similar as
Hmm.
me, but I would be comfortable in any, if I travel in a, or means in the, means lots of
Vehicles.
people would be there, or if lots of gatherings are there, so I will
Hmm.
be feeling convenient, and
Hmm.
it would be good for me, like I can adjust myself anywhere.
Hmm. Right.
So that is the main point why I chose that. And
Hmm.
apart from that, like if I am smaller than any other people, 4 feet 5 inches, like not similar as in even in India, people are mostly 5 feet 5 inches. So I will be almost
Hmm.
1 feet less from the other
Hmm.
people.
Yeah.
So I would like I would be convenient for myself, not for the others. Even if people
Hmm.
criticize at me, so it would be okay. But I would choose 4 feet
Hmm.
5 inches rather
That's
than
right.
being 7 feet 5 inches. Yes.
Because that will make you stand out of the crowd, right? Then everyone will keep staring at you if you're 7 feet 7
Mhm.
inches, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes.
Agree. Yeah.
Mhm.
Now, would you rather have nosy neighbors or noisy neighbors? Do you know the difference between nosy and noisy?
No, ma'am. You can just explain me, and then I will proceed.
Yeah. Nosy. This is the word, okay? Nosy means who always pokes their nose into your matters. What are you doing? What did you buy? Why you're going there? Why you didn't do this? That kind of neighbors, or noisy, someone who parties loud and there's loudspeakers from their house. What do you prefer?
Neither noisy or nor nosy.
Yeah,
If
both are
if there is
irritating.
no compulsion, if there is compulsion, so I would choose, I think, nosy,
Nosy.
because every time noisy, I would not. I don't like noisy. people
Okay.
or noisy like people if they are surrounding
Hmm.
me. I don't
Okay.
prefer because every time I feel disturbance and I feel like calmness. If
Hmm.
I feel like there is a calm,
Hmm.
people live or like the area is calm, so I prefer that area. And it is suitable for me to live there and spending time and doing work. It gives comfortness, and I feel comfortable there. So yes, I would go with no C.
No, see, yeah. If they ask you any question, you can say, I don't, if you can choose whether you want to answer them or not answer, right? You have that right
Yes,
with
yes.
you. Hmm.
Because in noisy means even if I am able to means help them or everything whatever I have with that I would it is not about help but like if I will eventually I will feel disturbance because of noise and I don't like it, so that is why I would go with no C. So even if they are no C, at least I can ask them if there is anything I want to ask them. I
Hmm.
definitely I would ask them, and if there is anything they would like to help from me, means I would at least I would ask them, even
Hmm.
if they are no C. So
Oh,
I would prefer no C rather than like noisy.
noisy. Yeah, that's good.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now we only have 7 minutes, but we have a lot of questions there. It's very fun. If you get time, you go through it. But then, Rakesh, what we'll do is that can I discuss the feedback and one or two vocabulary because of lack of time?
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Please go, ma'am.
So, Rakesh, you speak really well. I see that these clapping classes are really useful to you because your vocabulary is good, pronunciation is good, grammar is good, and sentences are also good. Only one sentence which I could correct you. That is, when neighbors would like to help from me. Nay, it will be like when neighbors
Get,
would like to get some help from me.
sorry, get yes, get
Yeah.
help from me. Yes.
And when you say nosy, it should be very clear because when you're saying it's sounding like this, no C, no C. But
Hmm.
it's nosy will sound like this, nosy.
No Z. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, nosy. So
Hmm.
that's the only slight pronunciation error. Otherwise, it's okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
And let's see what's there in the vocabulary. Okay, fatal word. Have you heard fatal?
Fatal, yes. Fatal
What is it?
accident. I have heard. It is
Yeah,
related to my field. Yes.
correct, correct. Yeah, fatal. So it is a threat to life. It's very dangerous.
Death. People
Hmm.
get death. It is called fatal.
Yeah.
Hmm.
What about indecisive? Indecisive.
Indecisive.
Hmm.
Is it correct? Indecisive.
Yeah.
No, I have not heard about that.
It means someone who's not good at making decisions. So I'm
Hmm.
indecisive. I'm not good at making decisions. So I'll leave it to my family. Right?
I
You can
am
see
in what
indecisive.
you have indecisive. Okay. I have
Indecisive.
indecisive. Because I don't take decision frequently or I can't take decision because of that I am indecisive. Okay,
Yes,
that
that's
was
right.
new.
Yeah. Hmm.
That was new. Yes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And okay, rest of the words are very simple there.
Hmm.
And
No problem. We can discuss.
hmm. Yeah, let's discuss the topic again. We'll and for four
No
minutes we
problem.
can
No problem.
discuss. Yeah.
Whatever you want.
Hmm. Would you like to be stuck on an island alone or with the person you find most annoying in the world? The person whom you hate, that person is with you on a lonely island, or would you like to be alone?
On island.
Yes.
So rather than being alone, I would like to be with the most annoying person, because at that time I could also be annoying with for him as well. So rather than being alone there, because it would be worst situation for me, because I don't know how to swim and everything. So rather than being alone, I think I could get help from him, and I could also be annoying person for him. So
Mhm.
I would like to be with annoying person at
Okay.
island. Yes.
For me, it's different. I feel that it's better to be alone than to be irritated. So I can't, when I have that irritation, I would get headache with that person. So it's better to be
Mhm.
alone.
Yes, yes. Same thing happens, but if I stuck at the island, so it would be different for me. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the question was about stucking at island. So
Hmm.
that is why I chose that.
Okay. We don't say stucking, we'll say getting stuck.
Getting stuck.
Yeah, the topic was about getting stuck at an island. So, hmm. Yeah. Next one is that would you like to be a very busy person or would you like to feel bored?
Would you like to means I could not understand. Please repeat.
Yeah, would you like to be, I think the time is over, but
No
imagine,
problem.
would you like to be very busy throughout the day or would you like to sit free and be bored throughout the day?
No, neither I would like to be busy nor like bored. I just
Hmm.
enjoy myself, whatever activities I do. So rather than being busy, whatever I do, I just enjoy. Like